In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to request a W-9 from a contact and enable 1099 tracking. To get started, open your contacts area and go to all contacts so you can view your full list. This is the easiest place to find the person or business record you want to update before sending the request. If you have a long list of contacts, take a moment to locate the correct record carefully so you avoid making changes to the wrong contact. Once you find the correct contact, open that contact record and click Edit. This will let you update the details attached to that contact. When you're in edit mode, look through the financial details section, since that's where the 1099 related setting is usually stored. It's a good idea to review the record briefly before changing anything, especially if this contact is already being used for payments or vendor information. Next, enable W-9 and 1099 tracking by checking the option labeled Track 1099 Payments under the financial details section. Turning this on is important because it tells the system that payments made to this contact should be monitored for 1099 reporting purposes. This can help keep your records organized and make year-end reporting much easier. After selecting that option, make sure the change is saved if your system requires you to save edits before moving on. After that, send the W-9 request by clicking Email Contact. When the email window opens, choose your custom W-9 request template. Using a template helps keep your message consistent and professional, and it also saves time compared to writing the same request manually for every contact. Before sending, quickly review the email content to make sure the wording is appropriate and that the request is going to the correct recipient associated with the contact record. At this point, the contact has been marked for 1099 tracking and the W-9 request has been sent. That means you've completed both the setup and the outreach in one simple workflow. As a final tip, it can be helpful to follow up later if you don't receive the completed W-9 in a reasonable time frame, so your records stay complete and accurate. That's all there is to it. By opening the contact, enabling 1099 tracking, and sending your custom W-9 request email, you can streamline your vendor management process and stay better prepared for tax reporting.